Hello, Ken here today, and I'm going to do a video on how to change the pins in a BA-ARRI that we sell. And welcome to my nice little shop here in Ultralight. Anyways, we do ship these with extra pins in the bag. But if you don't have the pins or if you've used them or whatever, you can always get more. Let us know. You can call us at 805-485-0233 or email me at ulcs@ulcs.com. We've got lots of pins. We'd be happy to take care of it and send you some. So, okay, once you got pins in hand, I'm cheating. I have a very special, highly built, specialized tool today, as you can see. This is what I usually use. And we just set the BA-ARRI in these, so it kind of holds it in place. If you don't have the specialized tool, or you can't make one, take something to put in the way of the jaws so they don't make marks on that. You could use old gloves, you could use old rags, you could take your t-shirt off and put it in there, whatever it takes, just something so it's soft. You don't have to really tighten it too tight, but it needs to just be in there rather snug. And as you can see, this is not all that tight either. So what I'm going to do is, let's say this pin is damaged. I'm going to take a screwdriver and just slide it in here. This is so I can kind of hold it down and keep it from twisting around. And then I'm going to take a pair of like vice grips or something that I can clamp down really tight. I'm going to put it on the pin. I'm going to put the screwdriver in there and hold it and pull out the pin just like that. Once the pin is out, you could take the pin that you have, and this part's a little tricky, but it's not too bad. And if you got big fingers, it's going to be tough, but try to get a small pair of like needle nose pliers and hold it over that hole and just tap it a little bit to get it started. Like so. You don't want to hit it too much because then you're going to mess up the threads. Find a bolt, anything. It can be a hex head bolt, something with a nice flat round surface. Put it here. Tap that in until it stops, and that pin is fixed and ready to go. So that's how we fix them. If you have questions, let us know. If you're not too handy and the pins are out and you don't want to deal with it, feel free to give me a call. I'll replace that part for you, no questions asked. Other than that, have a great day and happy filming.